Hey friends, this is Kiran again, and I'm really excited about our today's lesson because I have learned a lot of new French words today. So, our today's lesson is going to be about alphabet and word. But before starting our lesson, guys, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you, guys. So, before any further ado, let's get started. So what we are going to learn in our this lesson, we will learn words related to alphabets, the pronunciation of the words in French, word meanings of those French words, and in the end, I'm going to tell you what we are going to learn in the next lesson. So let's get started together. A is pronounced as un, and French word for this is avion, which means plane or aeroplane. Avion, plane or aeroplane. B is B. In French, bonne, which means in English good. Bonne means good. C is c'est. French word for this is ciseaux, which means scissors in English. Ciseaux means scissors. D is de. French word is dauphin. Dauphin. In English it is dolphin. Dauphin means dolphin. E is e. French word for this is éléphant, which means elephant in English. Éléphant means elephant. F is if. F. French word for this is femme, which means in English woman. Femme means woman. G is je. In French we have giraffe. In English it means giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. H is ash. Ash. French word for this is homme, which means man in English. H words do not have its pronunciation, so it is homme, means man. I is pronounced E. French word for this is igloo. Also in English, same, igloo. French is igloo. In English, igloo. J is pronounced as J. J. French word for this is jaguar. Jaguar. In English, it is jaguar. French, jaguar, which means jaguar. K is ka. French word for this is kangaroo. In English, it is kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L is L. French word for this is lune, which means in English moon. French word is lune, means moon. M is M. French word for this is mouton, which means sheep. Mouton means sheep. N is N. French word for this is nuage. Nuage means cloud. Nuage means cloud. O is O. French word for this is orange, means orange. Orange means orange in English. P is P, and French word for this is pizza. And in English it is same pizza. French pizza, English pizza. Q is Q. French word for this is queue, which means tail in English. Queue means tail in English. R is off, off, which means our French word for this is riche. In English we say it rich. Riche means rich. S is S. French word for this is songe. It means monkey in English. Songe means monkey. T is T. French word for this is train, which means train in English. Train means train. U is U. French word for this is uniform, which means in English uniform. Uniform means uniform. V is V. French word for this is vallon, which means in English valley. Vallon means valley. W is W. French word for this is Wi-Fi. In English, we say it Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi in English. X is X. And French word for this is xylophone, which means xylophone in English. Xylophone means xylophone in English. Y is Y. French word for this is yaourt, which means yogurt in English. Yaourt means yogurt. Z is Z. French word for this is zèbre, which means zebra in English. Zèbre means zebra in English. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned a lot, and in next lesson we will learn counting from 1 to 10 and a few common and useful phrases. Goodbye friends. Thank you for watching. If I have made any mistake, so please remember that I am also a learner like you. Bye bye guys, and keep supporting my channel.